crop top, that is velvet crop top. This is so pretty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, this is Mehak Khemka and I'm back with another haul video. So first of all, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, cause whenever I'll be uploading a new video, you will be notified. And yeah, as you have already read the title, you know it's a clothing haul and the best Shein alternatives I have came across. I bet you won't regret watching this video till the end. And all the clothes I'll be showing you in this video are super fashionable and affordable. And the clothes I'll be showing you are from a single website, so you don't need to go and search on 10 different websites or download 10 different applications. And yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end, cause in the end I'll be telling you more about this website. And yeah, without wasting more time, let's get started. So I'll be starting with my favorite top, that is this layered fringe cami top. This is how it looks, and the neck is V-shaped, and I'm just loving its material cause this is super soft and comfortable. And as you can see, the color is super good and attractive. You can wear this with denim jackets or skirt, whatever you like. And this top are really good for party and clubbing, all of that thing. And this is how it looks on me. I am just loving its V-shaped neck and the back is pretty much simple. This is the perfect fringe top I was looking for. So the next thing I got is this crop tank top. This is how it looks. And I have done a photo shoot on this. The pictures you can see on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID, follow me there. And it has a zip on the back side, as you can see. And yeah, so the color is super decent, black and white color, and the material is hosiery. Also, I can use this as a blouse for my sari, or maybe I can pair it with my high waist pants. And this top material is really very stretchable, and because of the zip at the back, it fits my body perfectly. So the next thing I got is this square neck crop top. This is a super basic top. I got this because of this color. I am just loving its color. This is sea green color. And yeah, it's a basic top you can wear on a daily wear basis. And to be honest, I was expecting this in cotton material, but this is nylon. And this is how it looks on me. And I think this is the perfect basic tee every girl should own. And the back is pretty much normal. Also, the square neck pattern is something I'm just loving it. So the next top is this lace cami top. It is a see-through material, so you need to buy a inner for this. And yeah, as you can see, even this color is very unique. As you must have already noticed, I bought each and every cloth in a different color, because to be honest, all the clothes I have are mostly in black and white color. So that's the reason I shopped very colorful clothing in this haul. And yeah, the material is that वो ठंडी में सिलते हैं ना कुछ तो. I think the material is that. I think बाद में बोलना मत, झूठ बोला. But yeah, the material is okay. And I wore a black inner inside this lace top. Also, the neck was too deep, so I got it stitched from the upper side. And rest all is super amazing. The detailing is really damn good. The next top is this crisscross pink top. I know you won't understand what is this, cause even I was confused कि क्या है ये, कैसे पहनूंगी इसको. But after wearing it, it looks super awesome. So the material is cotton and it has a crisscross thing on the back side. If you can see, I don't know if you. It has a crisscross thing from the back side, and yeah, the color is super attractive. It's a baby pink color. And and this is the pattern from the front side. This looks super cool. Also, the tops hug my body perfectly, and this is the crisscross thin pattern from the back side which I was talking, and overall I am just loving this pattern. So the next top I got is this strip color block cami top. Don't you think this color block print looks so good and super amazing? So the material is something like nylon, I think so. Also, it has an elastic on the back side, and the front neck is V-shaped. So yeah, I'm somewhat satisfied with this. This print, I'm just loving this print. This is how it looks on me. This top is fit from the chest and bit loose at the lower bottom side. So I can tuck it in my bottom and get a balloon type of look of this top. And you can pair this with any kind of bottom. So the next top is this velvet top with choker. So this is my favorite top. It has a choker with this, जो कोई काम का नहीं है. I don't know where I'll wear this. ये घुसेगा भी नहीं मेरे गले में. But let's not focus on the choker. Let's focus on the top. It has a velvet material, and I think I can wear this as a blouse with my sari. And I'm just loving this top. The first top and this last top is my favorite one, and I can wear this with my high waist pants, or I can add a denim jacket with this one. And this is how it looks after wearing. It doesn't look that short if you wear something high waisted, and velvet top with bottoms can never go wrong. So I am just loving this top. That was it for my top collection. The next thing I got is this wide flare leg pant, and this is how it looks. So it has a chain over this side, so it is very comfortable to wear, and the color is this green color, which is super unique and amazing, and the material is also very good, and I'm just loving this pants. And this is how it looks on me. I don't like this button on the top side. I might remove them later. But talking about the material and quality, that is super good. You must definitely try this. So that was it for my today's clothing haul. And coming back to the website, there is only a single disadvantage of this website. That is, all the clothing I bought might not be available now, because there are only single piece available in this website. But don't worry, you can still visit their website and get something new for yourself, because there are wide range of varieties available there in a very affordable price. So you can still visit there and get something new. And all the tops I bought are for something 280 rupees, and that green pant was for 550 or maybe 650. I'll write down all that in the description box so you can see there. And also I'll link down the website link in the description box so you can check that. And also I had ordered one more top and 2 jeans, but that order got misplaced, but that's absolutely okay. They were kind enough to refund my money back. So yeah, that was it for my today's video. Do hit the like button, comment down below and let me know your favorite top, and share it with all your girls, cause this is the best Shein alternatives every girl should know. And yeah, do follow me on Instagram, and see you in next video. Bye.